In this video, I am going to show you how to create a board on Trello. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. First, log into your Trello account. Once you are logged in, you will be on the home page. From here, you have two options to create a new board. You can click on Boards at the left or scroll down to the section that says Boards and click there. Once you are in the Boards section, you will see an option to create new board. Click on that. You will now see different options. If you want, you can start with a template. Trello gives you a few free templates to choose from, but you can also create a board from scratch. From here, you can customize your board. You can choose a background color or even an image. After that, click on Add Board Title and type in the name you want for your board. Once you are happy with your settings, click on Create New Board. Your new board is now created. Inside your board, you can start adding lists, checklists, and tasks, depending on what you need to organize. You can also adjust other settings and customize it to fit your workflow. That is how simple it is to create a board on Trello. If this tutorial helped you, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials.